Hey developers, welcome back to the AIMA, your space to explore AI, dev stack, and modern web development. Today we are diving into something super exciting. We will be building a to-do app in Next.js using BOLT.DIY, a next-gen AI-powered coding assistant from StackBlades Labs. Imagine describing your app in plain English and watching it generate a working code base. That's exactly what Bot DIY does. Let's see how you can get started and have your to-do app running in just few minutes. Let's get started. This is how our flow diagram looks like. A bot workflow which is running self-hosted locally, AI prompt which we will describe on Go, which will run on OpenAI LLM, or you can use similar like Gemini or DeepSeek, Llama, anything, etc. And finally, we will get a output, our Next.js web app running and ready. Basically, for setting up bot DIY locally, there are multiple ways. Like one thing is you can directly clone the code base from here using Git, or the alternative way is using Docker. We can go with any option. We can see here the option one using git clone, and we might need to install pnpm package manager for creating our node modules, install it and then serve it locally. And the alternate option is using docker. You can set up docker client in your system. If it is windows or mac, you can follow the guide accordingly and then clone this image in the docker and then run it as a container. There are two options, and the third option is again a desktop application electron. For this video we are just starting up with locally serving using package manager. Git clone over here. Okay, the clone is ready, so we will try to open it in our VS Code. Yeah, and we can see our package JSON. Now we might need to set up the package manager which they are recommending PNPM. So if it is not in your system, you can simply run this globally. If you already done, you can directly run installing it. Okay, this might take little time based on your bandwidth. So let's wait. Okay, so the installation is done. Code, simply try to serve it. Okay, and we can see our bot DIY welcome, and it is serving in port 5167. We'll try to open it. Okay, we can see our bot DIY is running locally successfully, and this error is regarding we have still not set our API keys. So we'll grab some API keys for Google Gemini. I'll simply go to Gemini, API key, and simply get API key. Okay, so for grabbing your API key for Gemini, which is absolutely free for basic usage, so you can come here and try to click on this copy icon and copy your API key and come back to bot, and we can see a small edit icon over here. You can simply come here and try to save it, and now your API key is set. So now your bot DIY is ready to serve. So let's try to paste some prompt. Okay, create a simple to-do app using Next.js and Tailwind CSS where user can add, mark and delete tasks. Yeah, our bot has already started. generating code. So it is saying us like it is working on components, and we can see the coding part, how the code is getting generated. Yeah, I think it has set up initial things and trying to install something. Wow, see how good our Todo app looks like. Okay, let me try to add something. For example, Angular. Wow, React, JS, Next.js. So it is performing well. Yeah, and also it is striking out on click, and also delete works fine. Yeah, this is our to-do app which is generated hardly 2 minutes of time, and also we can check our code base here, how the code has been written. We can enhance it anytime, we can add or remove any functionalities, and that's it. You just built a working to-do app in Next.js using BOLT.DIY in a few minutes. Zero boilerplate, full control. BOLT.DIY is a perfect for quickly prototyping product ideas or starting full stack environment. You can find a GitHub repo link in the description below. And if you want me to cover a version with database integration or authentication, drop me a message below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the AMAs. For more AI dev content, see you in the next video.